Okay. What do we see here? Nia Center. Oh my gosh. Is this going to be your first unboxing? So I'm going to try and do this. So Nia Center just sent me a package for participating in their panels for Black History, African Futures Month. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Nice. Oh wow. Okay, so we got a Toronto 10-ounce candle bougie. 10 ounce, okay. Catherine and Company. Let me see if I can do this with. Okay, I'm gonna mash open the thing. Wow, look at this. Catherine and Company candle. Dope. All right, vibes. All right, vibes. And then, what is this? Oh, all right. Big up yourself, mug. Wow, nice. Y'all are doing the right thing. Y'all doing the right thing. I like this. And then what do we have next? A little USB. This is a power source. This is a little power source. Not bad. Okay. Let me see it there. All right. And Wagwan. Look at this. Black people's business. Yo, y'all are jokers at the Nia Center, eh? Y'all have a really good sense of humor. I like y'all. I really do. Thank you so much.